Hey guys, Nidhi here, the product manager of Realme Narzo. Now let's make you feel the power of Narzo 10 series as we bring you the max power and performance in both Narzo 10A and Narzo 10 segments. Let's start with the first product, Narzo 10A. Design has always been an essential part for Realme, and this time we are bringing a completely unique and never seen before design. We have a big and iconic Realme logo at the back on a scratch-proof texture. It reflects lighting and showcases some interesting patterns and is extremely comfortable while holding it in your hands. This will be available in two very interesting colors. First is a blue variant, which is so blue. Just check this beauty in my hand. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And of course, the second color is an elegant white, which is also so white. Yes, so blue and so white and so unique. This is the beginning of the Narzo journey, and I'm sure you guys will love this design. The Realme Narzo 10A comes with a huge 6.5-inch display. We designed the Narzo 10A in such a way that despite the huge size, it is narrower in width, with a 20:9 aspect ratio, which makes holding the phone in your hands more comfortable and is ergonomic enough to be used by one hand. The impressive 6.5-inch big screen with a mini drop notch has a screen-to-body ratio of 89.8%. The mini drop notch is 30.9% smaller than the normal dewdrop notch display. Moving on to power, the Narzo 10A features the powerful MediaTek Helio G70 processor, which is the best processor for gaming in this segment. It is an 8-core 12-nanometer processor that clocks up to 2.0 gigahertz. It is ideal for mainstream smartphone users and elite mobile gamers with an efficient, high-performance ARM Mali G52 GPU. The chipset has an amazing 150% performance improvement compared with the last generation in the same price segment. The Narzo 10A has an Antutu benchmark score of around 193,000, giving you the best performance in this segment. This is a score that is even higher than other models in a higher price segment. But Antutu is not just what defines the performance of a phone. It is also the only chipset in this segment that supports the HD high graphic settings by default. For our users who love to play games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Asphalt, etc., Narzo 10A will provide a superior gaming experience without any lags. To further give you the best experience, we are bringing a massive 5000 mAh battery. You can talk for 43.9 hours, watch YouTube videos for 20.8 hours, listen to music on Spotify for 19.4 hours, and play PUBG for 10.6 hours. With this, you can be completely carefree about charging your phone. The Narzo 10A also supports reverse charging. Though it would need an OTG cable to achieve this function, at key moments, it can charge other devices just like a power bank. Now let's talk about my favorite part, the camera. On the hardware front, the Narzo 10A sports an AI triple camera at the back. The 12-megapixel rear main camera features a 5p f1.8 large aperture lens with a 1.25 micron pixel size. It can zoom up to 4x and supports PDAF autofocus. So you will be able to capture bright and clear pictures, not just in daylight, but in low light conditions as well. We are also bringing a macro lens this time that lets you shoot tiny objects. You will observe a totally different world with this macro lens. The AI triple camera setup is something that sets Narzo 10A apart from the others with exciting features like chroma boost, portrait mode, and slow motion video recording. The Auto HDR can keep the highlights and dark details in the picture to get accurate images with abundant details and more colors. The cameras also support 1080p video shooting and slow motion videos at 120 FPS. You can just turn on the chroma boost, which lets you take pictures that turn out to be more colorful and make them more vivid. The extra macro lens will give you more photography options to explore and discover a whole new world. With the extra portrait lens, you will be able to get perfect bokeh effect. And these pictures just beautiful. On the front, the Narzo 10A features a 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.4 aperture and 1.12 micron lens. Its AI portrait selfie supports manual adjustments as well, based on your personal preferences. And a new Pano selfie feature that applies a compound of multiple photos to ideally garner photos in a wider angle. The phone is enhanced with an all-rounder protection internally as well. The Narzo 10A is an endurable phone with splash resistance. And of course, the triple slot. So you can use 2 SIM cards and an external memory card simultaneously. A must-have feature for Indian consumers. But last but not the least, the fast fingerprint scanner of the Narzo 10A is the fastest in the market right now. Well, that's all about the Realme Narzo 10A. Let me show you a video for a recap.
Grandpapa had a metal plate from his time served in the war. But when it came to taking medicine, the man was non-compliant. He'd tell me, hey, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that would take us to another time and place?
Realme Narzo 10A, triple camera, 8-class performance. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
This is the Realme Narzo 10A, a triple camera all-rounder with A-class performance.
It's an amazing design. Thanks, Sri, and thanks, Nidhi, for presenting the very first two Narzo smartphones, the 48-megapixel camera phone with epic gaming performance and a triple cam A-class power pack. The first two starters of Narzo offerings, Narzo 10A and 10, will simply offer more power than any other options in its price segments. I hope you still remember the Nato Fukasawa designs of onion and garlic. This is one of them, which has been stripped down to Narzo 10. And it's been amazing, and I really like it. Now let's reveal the mystery of Narzo 10A first. It had a sharp triple camera that supports PDFA fast focus along with the enhanced portrait and macro shooting capabilities. The mid-ranger engine, which is MediaTek Helios G70, giving you an A-class heavy gaming capabilities, which no other phones at this price segment can offer, I can guarantee that. The massive 5000 mAh battery promises a very fair endurance. The big mini rough full screen is giving a better eye protection than before. With a triple SIM card slot, splash resistance quality, and a unique iconic design, Narzo 10A is hitting all the sweet spots as the best gaming phone in the sub-10K segment. Yes, Narzo 10A will have only one variant, which is 3GB, 32GB, with 2 unique color options, which is so white and so blue. And the price for Narzo 10A would be 8,499 rupees only.
Grandpapa had a metal plate from his time served in the war. But when it came to taking medicine, the man was non-compliant. He'd tell me, hey, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that would take us to another time and place?
Realme Narzo 10A, triple camera, 8-class performance. Realme